Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, greetings, AliShanMao here. Welcome to Yendi Square Park, water park. It's actually a water park. Let's fly the Fimi X8 Mini here with Pro battery and see how much flight time I will get and what kind of shots, night shots, I can get around in this area. Well, it's on with the Pro battery, but the app shown me that there is a new firmware. It has been downloaded and now it's updating the firmware. While it's updating the firmware, obviously it is using battery. So let's wait for the firmware update, and after that I'll fly it. Unfortunately, in upcoming clips you're gonna watch some of the gimbal horizon drift. It's because I have set the X8 Mini on the grass and grass has locked the gimbal. I didn't know that. So when I took off, the gimbal was not working, but quickly it adjusts itself during flight right after takeoff, and it has slight horizon drift, which has been fixed in later flights that you will watch after gimbal calibration. I have been flying and shooting videos and taking shots around, and I still have 27% battery left. So this is a pro tip: when your Fimi X8 Mini, which is using lithium-ion batteries, li-ion batteries, and when you see the battery icon is showing you yellow, it's time to come back home and land, because if you keep flying it's still okay. But I found the lithium-ion batteries, they go down very quick once they are at the critical level, and your quadcopter will just land itself anywhere it is. Sometimes it will activate auto return to home if there's enough battery, but if it is not, it will just land immediately wherever it is. Okay, let's fly it a little bit more until this baby lands itself, and I will see how long I flew with the Pro battery. Pro battery, I was flying around. I climbed up at higher altitude as well, and I keep shooting videos, keep taking pictures, flew it around at low altitude. When the battery was low, I brought it back. I gave it some punches up and down, flew it around until the battery was showing me red, and I landed it, and it showed me that it has done 22 minutes 29 seconds flight on a Pro battery. Not bad, man, not bad. I can tell you, I did not hover it, except the time when I spoke a little bit about it, it was hovering in the background. Rest of the time I was just pushing it around, flying around. No rest for this baby. So 22 minutes plus 29 seconds. Not bad, man, for this little bird. I am kind of impressed. Now go ahead and enjoy the shots taken with Fimi X8 Mini at night here at beautiful Yendi Square Water Park. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. Please give this video a big like. Can I get 1,000 likes to this video? Thank you very much in advance if I can get 1,000 likes to this video. Stay tuned for more videos coming for Fimi X8 Mini, and drop me a comment. Let me know what other tests you would like to see about Fimi X8 Mini. So far, this little bird is giving me beautiful footage daytime or nighttime. It is absolutely a very, very nice machine right here. A worthy mini aerial filming drone for you to invest your money in. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Good night. I gotta go home and sleep. Tomorrow, I have to fast. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.